Hello everyone, today we will see the Spider-Man's family tree, a popular Marvel superhero. We will only focus on the important members of Spider family, so let's get into it. Peter Benjamin Parker lost his parents at a young age. Orphaned as a toddler, he had to live with his Uncle Ben and Aunt May. During a science exhibition, he was bitten by a radioactive spider, granting him his powers. When his Uncle Ben died at the hands of a burglar he could have stopped, he decided to live up to his uncle's mantra and use his powers as a force for good as Spider-Man. His father, Richard Parker, he was recruited into the Central Intelligence Agency and became an intelligence agent. He died when he and Mary were on assignment. His mother, Mary Parker, like his husband, she was a CIA agent. She died with his husband during the assignment to infiltrate the Algerian-based spy ring controlled by communist agent the Red Skull, but the Skull discovered they were double agents, and had them killed by his agent the Finisher in an airplane crash overseas and were framed for treason. Couple had her alleged daughter, Teresa Parker. The true origins of Teresa Parker are uncertain. Her birth had been kept a secret. After the death of her parents, she was allegedly adopted. Many years following the deaths of Richard and Mary, Teresa would be personally recruited into the CIA by Nick Fury. Richard's parents were Peter Parker and Parker. Richard's older brother was Benjamin Parker. While Richard and Mary were on assignment, Ben and May took care of Peter. Ben and May had never had children of their own, but after Richard and Mary died, they became Peter's surrogate parents and raised him as if he was their own son. Mary's father was William Fitzpatrick, and his mother died when she was little. William was the only parent she really knew. Ben's wife Maybelle Parker, born May Riley, she came from a poor family where her parents constantly argued over money. Ben was her first husband. May's father Albert Riley and mother Claire Riley, they appeared on a picture given to her by her upcoming groom Jonah Jameson where it was portrayed May as a girl along with the other members of her family. Her second husband Jonah Jameson, after meeting Spider-Man during a subway accident, he started dating May Parker, and married her sometime later. After various incidents in New York, like the attack of Alistair Smythe and his Spider Slayers, as well as the Serpent, he decided to move with May to Boston. Jay's first wife was Betty Jameson. Together they have a son Jonah Jameson. He was raised as a child by Betty Jameson and his stepfather and Uncle David. Jameson began speaking out against Spider-Man in his lectures and newspaper editorials. Jameson raised enough public doubt about the mysterious Spider-Man's motivations that Spider-Man was blacklisted virtually overnight by the entertainment industry. Peter Parker's wife Mary Jane Watson, they got married on the front steps of New York City's City Hall, with her uncle, Spencer Watson, a judge, presiding over the ceremony. Together they had a daughter May Parker. She was delivered at New York Hospital by Dr. Folsom who convinced Mary Jane she had given birth to a stillborn baby, but in reality the child was stolen from her mother by Allison Mongrain who had posed as a delivery nurse. Mary's father Philip Watson, he is a well-educated professor and an experienced newspaper journalist. He has some experience as a writer, but apparently never managed to publish a successful work. Mary's mother Madeline Watson, she died because of ill health and a bad heart condition. Mary's older sister Gail Watson, like her younger sister, she had dreams of becoming a dancer, but she gave that up to marry her boyfriend, Timothy Burns, after high school, but later Timothy left when Gail was pregnant with her second child. He abandoned them and Gail was left a single mom. That was all in Spider-Man's family. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe for more amazing videos. See you in next video. Till then take care.